Welcome to companies. Companies are an object inside of your account in which you can build relationships between your individual contacts and other objects. To get started, you'll see that the companies is treated kind of like a smart list where you can see it all. Below this, you have your advanced filters by which you can sort your companies by company name, phone, email, other such company info, and additional details. You can also sort by selected fields. Below this, you have the ability to select and delete companies individually or in bulk. And of course, you can click into the company, which will open up a tab on the right-hand side through which you can see the current details, hide empty fields and folders, and then add additional information in relation to this company. At the very base, you can see who created this company, view audit logs of past interactions, and on the right-hand side, you can see all associations, which is a connection to the company in regards to relationships. You can see tasks in regards to tasks connected to this company, and you can add additional notes to this company. Under the Associations tab, you can see all related objects. In this case, the only object that we have in relation to the company is a contact. You can, of course, click on and remove individual contacts or view the contact details, and click on the Add button to search for and connect additional contacts in relation to this company. Currently, we can see the managed fields by which we can sort, search, and click on Manage Fields to choose which ones we do or don't want to see. Once we've applied those filters, those columns would disappear. In the upper right-hand corner, we can click on Add Company. A new tab will show up on the right-hand side through which we can add additional details to the account. After adding, we can save and add another company or save the individual company. Companies can be created by clicking on the Add Company. You can also create a company by going to your individual contact, scrolling down to individual folders where the business name is related to, and entering in details in relation to that contact.